Good morning, class. I am Lakshman Singh, again with you with our topic measures of central tendency. Till now, we have learned how to find mean and median. Now, we will learn how to find mode. So, let us see mode. The variate with maximum frequency is called mode. If so many variables we have, and out of that anyone has maximum frequency, then that variate which contains the maximum frequency is called mode. Empirical formula. Empirical formula. What is that? Mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. In this case, first of all we find out median, then mean, and then we apply this formula to get mode. So when we do this, if we have more than one variate have same and maximum frequencies, then we apply mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Let us see exercise 26C. Question number 1. Calculate the mean, median and mode of the following numbers. Here we are given with numbers 8, 10, 7, 6, 10, 11, 6, 13 and 10. So here we know that we have to find mean, median and mode. All three things we have to find. So for finding median we need to write this data in ascending order. So first of all we write it in ascending order. 6, 6, 7, 8, 10, 10, 10 and 11 and 13. So we have got n equal to 9. Total numbers are 9. So first of all we find mean. Mean equal to sum of observations upon number of observations. So we add all the observations. 6, 7, 7, 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 11 plus 13. So we get the sum 81 divided by 9, that is equal to 9. So we have got mean equal to 9. Then median equal to, here it is n is 9, that is odd. Then we apply median n plus 1 upon 2th observation, that is equal to n means 9 plus 1 upon 2th observation, that is 5th observation. So in this ascending order we can see the 5th observation is 10. So median of this data is 10. Now in this observations we can see that 10 has maximum frequency. 10 is 3 times, so that has maximum frequency. Therefore mode of the data is 10 because 10 has maximum frequency. Let us take question number 2. The marks of 10 students in a class in a test arranged in ascending order as follows: 15, 35, 42, 46, x plus 4, 55, 61, 70 and 71. These are arranged in ascending order. If median is 48, then find mode. So now we are given here median and the data. So from this median, first of all we will find out the value of x. So we know that median, how many students? 10 students, that is even. So we apply median for even observations, n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation upon 2. Median given 48 equal to 10th observation plus 10 upon 2 plus 1th observation. So we get 5th observation plus 6th observation upon 2. So 5th observation is x, 6th observation is x plus 4 upon 2. We do cross multiplication, 48 into 2. So we get 96 equal to 2x plus 4. So we get 2x equal to 92, x equal to 46. So in place of x now we will replace 46. We can see fifth observation was x, that is 46. And x plus 4, sixth observation was x plus 4. So here we put 50. Now here fifth and sixth observation we have 46 and 50. Now we can see that the observation 46 has maximum frequency, that is 2 times given 46, another are not there 2 times. So 46 has maximum frequency, therefore mode is equal to 46. Let us take question number 4. The following table shows the weight of 15 students. Weight given in kilograms: 47 kg, 50, 53, 56 and 60 kg. Number of students: 4, 3, 2, 2 and 4. Now here we have to find mean, median and mode. So you see that mean easily we can find out and median also, but for mode we need the variate with maximum frequency. So we can see here 47 has frequency 4 and 60 has frequency 4. Now straight away we cannot decide the mode. So first of all we will have to find mean and median. So let us see, to find mean we need fx, and for finding median we need cumulative frequency cf. So first of all we have written x given 47, 50, 53, 56 and 60. Frequencies are given 4, 3, 2, 2, 4. We find out fx. So 47 into 4, that is 188. Then 50 into 3, 150. 53 into 2, 106. 56 into 2, 112. 60 into 4, 240. This we have got fx. Now we can find out sigma fx also. So we get the sum 796. Now for median we required cf, cumulative frequency. The first frequency is 4. Second frequency will be 4 plus 3, that is 7. Then 7 plus 2, 9. Then 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 4, that is 15. So here we have got all the cumulative frequencies. Now mean equal to sigma fx upon sigma f. We will use direct method to find the mean. So 796 upon 15. So we get 53.06. That will be our mean. Then n equal to 15. Total number of students 15. That is odd. So we will apply median equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. So 15 plus 1 by 2th observation, that is 8th observation. So we can see that 8th observation till here it is 7. This one contains, this CF 9 contains 8 and 9th term. 8th and 9th term. So 8th observation is 53. So we get median equal to 53. Now we will apply here empirical formula, that is mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So 3 into median, that is 53, minus 2 into 53.6, that is mean. 3 into 53, that is 159. 2 into 53.6, that is 106.12. We subtract, so we get mode equal to 52.88.